It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be destroyed by Burnbot!
So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
Flamethrower? No.
Oh, acid? Incendiary grenades!
No. The claws! Yes, claws! Very painful claws!
Then he should have called him Clawbot, or Delacerator, or Pinchotron 9000, but Burnbot. I mean, that's just false advertising.
I name the robot Sonic! Burnbot! Attack!
Blue Leader, this is Yellow Sky. I have eyes on Burnbot. It's on the move. Oh.
Thanks, Tails. Initiate speeding swing surprise.
Get up!
Bail, Tails, bail! Tails, no!
We'll be back, Sonic! Ooh, you are heavy! Seriously, Burnbot, you can stand to burn a few calories.
Keep resting, pal. I'll get you home. Promise. I'll never let anything like this happen to you again.
Sonic?
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that. I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early retirement.
Early retirement?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some. Trust me, it's for the best. I'll see you around, pal.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Don't look at me like that. I did what I had to do. And now we're gonna make sure Tails stays retired.
Sidekick tryouts. All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. Resume and references required. Can you believe this?
A resume and references aren't unreasonable, sir.
Especially in this job market.
What fool would want to be Sonic's sidekick? Spending every day with him, enjoying his friendship and respect. Not me, that's for sure. Unless... Lousy security camera.
I'm Amy Rose, and I'll be auditioning for the part of Sidekick.
Amy, I know who you are.
Great, because I am fine with nepotism. Oh, and under special skills, you can add juggling and singing. Oh, and the Saints go marching in.